My name is M.I.C.E from M.I.C.E Class 8. This is rainwater filter I made it because rainwater is not safe to drink and used for house. It is dirty by leaves, dust, and insects. So it is need to be cleaned. This will filter before it goes into the reservoir. At the bottom of the filter I filled with charcoal, and the second one is filled with sand. Let me put the favorite chamber inside the filter. The third one is filled with snow pebbles, and the fourth one is and the last one is filled with big pebbles. This will filter the rainwater before it goes into the reservoirs. Thank you. In this side, water will go inside, and the bottom will go outside the water. The water goes outside is safe to drink and use for and safe to use. Water will go inside this side and goes outside from the bottom. This side will feed it to the reservoirs. The water goes outside is cleaner and safe to use for houses. In Mizoram, every houses can have this filter. We will be healthier and more water, clean